Hello everybody, today we are gonna learn Python. So let's start by creating a Python file. You can use any editor. I'm using VS Code. It is your preference to use some other one also if you wanted to, but I'm using VS Code because it's pretty good, I think. So let's start. In VS Code you just have to click this. I don't know about your editor, or maybe if you're using VS Code just click this new file icon here and you will create a new file. Name it anything. I'm gonna name it project 1 and then give it its extension .py. So first the name of the file and then .py. So the first thing that we will learn is to print something on the screen. To print something, just simply type print, then parenthesis, then these commas, oh sorry, quotation marks, and then type whatever you want to print. I will print hello world. Now to run this program, you have to write py and then project1, your file name, and its extension. Now press enter to run it. You can see that hello world is printed. Now we will learn about variables. But before that, let me fix my editor. Maybe make the text a little bigger. Yes, now it is much more readable. So let's see how we can create a variable. Just simply type a name. For example, I will type car and then equal to and then the name of car in quotation marks. Let's take Volvo for now. And you don't have to put semicolon in this language. So that's pretty good. Some people say it's not, but I think it's pretty good. Now, what is a variable? Basically, it is a space created by computer in RAM to store something. In this line, we set the computer that create a space named car to store the word Volvo in it. Now, how will we know that it actually did it? So to know that, we can print the variable. You simply write print and then write car in it. You don't write car in quotation marks because we give quotation marks when we have to write a string, not the variable. If we write it simply like this, the computer will know that you want to print the variable, not the string car. Let's see. By string, I mean a sentence or a word. Now let's see will it print or not. See, the Volvo has been printed on screen. Now we have understood what a variable is. But the question is, where are they used and why are they important? Well, they are very important because without it, you can't really store something. You need a storage system to make a program. Without it, it would be really, really difficult. And all your progress will be lost if you can't really store it. The best example is a game. When we play a game, we score some points. And we need a system to store those scored points, right? Otherwise, there is no point of playing a game because every time you start, your progress will be lost. So that's why variables are important because they are used to store data. Now let's learn about data types. We know that we can store something in a variable, but what are the different type of data we can store in it? We already know that we can store a name. In previous case, we stored Volvo. Now let's store BMW. This type of data is called string. You can store numbers, not like this, 89. This type of data is called integer. You can store decimal numbers. This type of data is called float. You can store booleans. Boolean means true or false value. So these are the data types you need to know. Okay. When you write quotation marks and write something in it, it is called string. When you write a number, a simple number without decimal, it is called integer. And when you write with decimal number, it is called float data type. And you can also store true or false. In other languages, you have to declare it first. For example, in C, you have to write int, then the variable name and the value, also semicolon. So by this line, C can understand that you want to create an integer data type variable to store an integer only. It will give you warning if you store something like this. But in Python, you don't really have to worry about it. The language will figure it out automatically. Why this is important? This is important because this and this are not same. You can do mathematical operations with this type of data type, but not this. If we write 89 plus 89, it will not sum it and give you the answer. It will actually join it. It will give you 89 and then write 89 here again. This will be the output. But if you write 89 plus 89, then it will give you the right output. I don't know the right output. 99881. I think it will be 178 or something. So let's check it. Why this is different. Let me show you. Let's create two variables. Number 89 and then number 89. Let's see. Print. Sorry, not this. Number 2. Print number. Print number 2 plus number 2. Let's press this also so you can understand it much betterly. Betterly is not a word, but I just said it. Okay, leave it. So let's run the program. See that? 89, 89, and then 178. So by this we can understand that we can't really do with math with strings. So that's why knowing different type of data types is important. Talking about mathematical operations, let's see how we can perform basic math. For that we will take two basic variables, a equals to 10, b equals to, let's say, 20 or maybe 5. So assume I want to add them. What I have to do is very simple. Print a plus b. Now this should give me 15. Yes. It printed the output of 10 plus 15. It's right. 10 plus 5, it's right 15. If I want to subtract it, I just simply write minus and then it will give me 5. It subtracted 5 from 10. If I have to multiply them, I have to write star, not x. Some people confuse it with x. I did too. But it's star, not x. It will give me the output after multiplying. If I have to divide, you have to write slash. See, it gave me 2, it divided them. Now these are basic operations. There are some other too, but we will know about them later. I think it is enough for the video. Thanks for watching and I will meet you in the next one and we will learn some more things.